This is a request for help for a woman named Padma Rani Debbarma, a resident of Khowai Sanbari village under Padmabil block. She is a Tiprasa woman who needs financial assistance for her medical treatment at GB Hospital in Agartala. She was initially taken to Khowai District Hospital but was later referred to Agartala GB Hospital for further treatment. The message is a plea to kind-hearted people to help this woman financially so she can continue to receive the care she needs. If you are able to help, you can contact the number provided in the original request 6009386370.
An earnest appeal is being made for financial assistance for Padma Rani Debbarma, a Tiprasa woman from Khowai Sanbari village under the Padmabil block. She is currently in urgent need of medical treatment at GB Hospital in Agartala. Her journey for medical care began at Khowai District Hospital, but her condition required specialized attention, leading to her referral to Aguli GB Hospital. This plea is a humble request to compassionate individuals to extend a helping hand to this helpless mother who longs to live and is fighting for her life. The family is facing financial difficulties and is unable to afford the cost of her treatment. Any contribution, no matter how small, could make a significant difference in helping her receive the necessary medical care and give her a chance at a healthy life. For anyone who wishes to offer this support, you are kindly asked to contact the provided number 600-938-6370. Your kindness and generosity would be a great source of hope and strength for Padma Rani Debbarma and her family during this challenging time. Reported by Biplov from Khowai, Chini Khorang.